Welcome to BM Creative Tech Community. Today we are going to start our C++ programming week 1 lecture. We start by asking questions. How many of you have ever used WhatsApp application? I think mostly all of us have used WhatsApp applications. Did you ever think of who created WhatsApp? We can only say someone programmed it, but who created that WhatsApp? And how does the person create WhatsApp? So let's forget about WhatsApp if you say we don't even know that. How many of us have ever withdrawn money from ATM? So I know it's almost all of us that withdraw money from ATM. So do you know that that ATM machine is someone who programmed that ATM machine? Someone who programmed that ATM machine. So the ATM machine is not just there, it's not the one that created itself. Someone created that ATM machine. So today we are going to learn how all those applications are created. What is programming? This is what we are going to discuss in our class. Programming is the process of giving instruction to computer so that it can perform specific tasks. Think of a programming as writing a recipe for a computer, just as a chef follows a recipe to prepare food. A computer follows the same or the instruction written to it, or which is written to it by a programmer. So a computer that you can see is very smart, but it cannot think for itself. It only follow instruction. So those instructions that are given to it are called programs. They are called programs. So if you want a computer to calculate your school results, you must first tell it exactly what to do. The computer will not be the one to think for you. You will be the one to think for yourself and give the computer instruction on what to do. So without those instructions, a computer cannot perform any task. There is no way a computer can perform a task without giving it instruction. So in a simple definition, programming language is the process of writing instruction that tell computer what to do. So what is computer program? What is computer program? We have explained it earlier before, and we're still going to elaborate more into. So a computer program is a collection of instruction written in programming language that a computer executes to perform a task. Example of computer programs are WhatsApp application, Microsoft Word, Google Chrome, calculator, Facebook app, TikTok. All these applications were created using. What is programming language? A programming language is the language programmers use to communicate with computer. Imagine speaking Hausa to someone from China who doesn't understand Hausa. Will they understand you? The answer is capital no. The answer is no. So the same thing happens with computer. Computer don't understand English. They understand programming languages. Women speaks language such as English, Hausa, Arabic, French, and many other languages across the world. So computer understand programming languages like C++, Python, Java, JavaScript, C#, PHP. So without programming languages, the computer cannot understand instruction given to it. So in real life example, imagine uh, your mother asks you to prepare tea and she tell you to boil water, add tea, add sugar, add milk, then you serve her the tea. You did exactly what she asked you to do, that you follow every instruction. After you follow that instruction, you will achieve 100% of what she wants you to do. So the computer behave exactly the same way. The only difference is that the computer obey instruction. Why we remember sometimes we disobey instruction. Just like they ask you to boil water, add tea and other stuff, you might feel like doing your own way, not the way your mother asks you to do. Another example is, imagine using Google Map for traveling. Then you type on your Google Map, you type you are going to Abuja from Ibadan, or from Lagos to Abuja. So Google Map gives you direction. So what will happen if you ignore one direction from Google Map? You may get lost because you are not following instructions. So computer are exactly like that. If you give wrong instruction, they will produce wrong result for you. Real life applications of programming. Programming is everywhere around us. Example include banking system. Banking system, when you send money, programming is working. Bank depends on software. It depends on software. We also have mobile applications. Every app on your phone was programmed. Examples are WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram. Websites. Popular websites include Google, YouTube, Amazon, Jumia, Facebook, ChatGPT. All are programmed. We also have video games. Many video games that we are playing, they are also being programmed. We have smart cars. There are cars that nowadays that you can only program them, give them instruction of where you are going. They will search on the Google map, and they will drive you to that destination without you driving the cars. Hospital management system. Hospital, doctors use software to store patients record, print prescriptions for medicines or for a particular sickness. They also book appointments. They also use those applications to check laboratory results. Online shopping. If you look at Jumia and Temu, for example, all those applications, they are used for what? Online shopping. We also have ATM machine where we go and withdraw our money. We discussed about that earlier. Artificial intelligence, AI, example are ChatGPT, Gemini, AI, and others. Airline booking system. So even traffic lights and washing machine today, they all use programs. So this is the end of the class for today. Next, we are going to discuss introduction to C++.